Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Wooden flooring are a dream for interior designs. They can fit into almost any decor scheme and match nearly any color or style. Of course, that versatility also makes it hard to distinguish between a good match and a perfect match. There are hundreds of species of tree from which flooring can be made. How do you choose the right one? Of course, appearance is important, but you also need to choose a type of wood that would work for your lifestyle and your budget. When it comes to the pricing of hardwood floors, the general rule is that the harder a wood is, the more expensive it is. Hardwood comes from a slow-growing trees. Softwood comes from trees that grow quickly, which make it more economical to produce. Softwood floors like pine or cedar are inexpensive options. The downside, however, is that furniture or pets can scratch softwood floors. If you have got pets or rowdy kids, you might want a more durable wood. Regardless of which species of wood you choose, you also have to choose between hardwood or engineered hardwood. Solid hardwood is exactly what you imagine solid planks of wood. Engineered hardwood consists of several layers of plywood laminated together with a layer of hardwood on the top. One isn't necessarily better than the other. Solid hardwood is necessary if you are going to have the floor finished on site. On-site finishing seals crack between the boards and result in a more polished, sleek look. The downside is that solid hardwood is susceptible to expansion and contraction due to moisture. If you are installing in a basement or a climate that cycles between humid and dry seasons, engineered hardwood may be the way to go. It's highly resistant to expansion and contraction cycle. There are almost as many finish options as there are species of wood available. Oil-based finishes are increasingly popular. This finish will help you protect the floor from dirt and light abuse. You will have to refinish the floor every few years, though as the oil will slowly soak into the wood, many wood floor features a wire brushing finish. Wire brushing gives the wood a lovely texture, but it forms tiny grooves that can trap dirt. A polyurethane finish can help fill in some of those tiny grooves. Polyurethane finishes last a lot longer than many other options, but the application process is time consuming. Oil-based polyurethane finishes releases gases into the air for a few days after they are applied, so no one can stay in the house during that time. A water-based polyurethane finish is a more natural choice that's a little easier to work with. The manufacturer of your hardwood floor can recommend other finishing options as well. There is no perfect system for matching your furniture to your floors. Hardwood floors are very forgiving. There aren't a lot of furniture floor combinations that are going to look bad. But not bad isn't the same as perfect. The biggest rule of thumb for creating harmony between your furniture and your flooring is to match dark wood floor with heavy, dark furniture and light wood floor with clean and bright furniture. Dark wood floors are visually arresting. They tend to swallow up furniture that's too light. In this case, we are not talking about light as in color. We are talking about light as in modern style furniture with narrow legs and thin, clean lines. Dark color hardwood floor pair better with heavy classic style furniture with thick, shapely lines. Think of pieces that can hold their own visually rather than blending in. Conversely, if you are working with light color modern wood floor, lighter furniture is a good fit. Modern Scandinavian style furniture with clean simple lines work well to create a stylish minimalist look. You can certainly still include dark furniture with your light floor, but make sure the furniture is visually appealing. It's going to stand out in stark contrast against the floor. Rugs let you bend the rule a bit. An area rug helps lighter furniture work in a room with dark floors and vice versa. You might think about wood furniture atop wood floors is too much wood. Not so. As long as you follow one simple rule, vary your wood tones. If your wood furniture is the same color as the floor, chances are it's not going to look as good as it could. It can work particularly with traditional or classic styles, but it's usually much more appealing to have the wood tones of your furniture be lighter than those of the floor or vice versa. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern wooden flooring designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that is going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below this video, so do check them out. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram from the link in the description. Try to limit the number of different wood shades to just 2 or 3. Too many distinct colors of wood start to look disjointed. Most home designers operate with particular style in mind: contemporary, traditional, rustic, coastal and so forth. If you are working with specific style, you want to consider hardwood floor will jive with it. Species of wood with prevalent grains and knots like pine look great with rustic style furniture. They look a bit out of place with ultra modern minimalist furniture. If you are going the contemporary route, try darker woods with less visible grain patterns and long planks. If you are starting from scratch with no furniture and a new floor to choose, the light versus dark choice can be a tough one. From a non-aesthetic perspective, light colors are great simply because they are low maintenance. Dark floors tend to show some dirt and dust, so they require stringent cleaning. They also show damages more obviously, so families with dogs or cats might choose a light floor to hide claw marks.